As Chief Justice Raymond Zondo begins his farewell with his final presentation of the Annual Judiciary Report, his tenure and perceptions surrounding it were thrust before him. Zondo, however, refused to entertain a discussion about the labels thrown at him by what he terms as the enemies made, while conducting the important work of the State Capture Commission.
The second question was based on saying I'm a captured judge. Again, I think the question has no relevance to the report we are about today. I accept that, particularly for the work that I did as chairperson of the State Capture Commission, I made many enemies, and that some of them from time to time hurl insults at me, and some of them want to discredit me. But I believe that the majority of South Africans, as Mr. Dagmore indicated, know the truth and appreciate the work that I, together with all those who were involved in the commission, did. So I will not engage in a discussion whether I'm captured or not.
The 2022-23 financial year saw superior courts in South Africa's judiciary achieve 11 of the 13 performance targets set, representing an 85% achievement. 2 performance targets, however, were not achieved. These are the percentage of finalized constitutional court matters, which had a target of 70%, but only achieved 55%, as well as the percentage to which criminal case backlogs are reduced, which only achieved 47%, but the target was a 30% reduction. On the first target, dealing with the challenges faced by the Constitutional Court, the Chief Justice highlighted the need for an amendment to the Constitution.
The public will be aware that recently the Constitutional Court took the position that in order for it to properly discharge its obligations and perform in an acceptable way, it will be necessary for an amendment to be made to the Constitution so that it is able to dispose of a number of matters without every justice having to take part in every case.
The report further highlighted the significant impact of load shedding on the operation of courts.
The continuous load shedding, which has stopped temporarily, which had an adverse impact on the operations of the courts. Compared to the previous reporting period, the number of outstanding criminal cases increased by 19% compared to the 917 outstanding cases and 2% in the number of criminal case backlogs compared to the 453 reported criminal case backlogs. This increase is also ascribed to logistical challenges, mainly due to the continuous load shedding, which had an adverse effect.
This is the final report to be delivered by Zondo, whose term ends at the end of August, making way for the tenure of South Africa's first woman Chief Justice, following the appointment of Deputy Chief Justice Mandisa Maya, with effect from the 1st of September 2024. Canny, Maphanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.